Hello there, darling. Long time no chat. Child, I have been at home straight chilling, doing absolutely nothing, and I am very proud of myself for doing so because I've been working hard all of 2021. I deserve my break today. Okay. So since the last time I seen y'all, let me just say, first of all, thank you for the happy birthday messages. Secondly, happy new year. Third, happy holidays to everything that you celebrated. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get this vlog started. So for the past couple of weeks, I have been at home looking like a booger wolf. I didn't care to do any maintenance. I didn't care to do any work. I didn't care to do anything. I just entered into my third trimester, so I'm 7 months pregnant, and you know, shout out to me for getting this baby here so far.
I want to thank me. I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.
But yeah, it's just like something happened as soon as I went into my third trimester that all the symptoms from the first trimester came back. Number one, I'm nasally. Number two, brushing my teeth is a sport because I never know if the toothpaste gonna make me vomit. It's so much going on right now that I'm like, okay, yeah, I see what y'all mean when y'all said the second trimester was the most pleasant, because this her third. At any rate, so since I've been at home doing absolutely nothing, I have been looking crazy. Y'all know since I've been pregnant, I've been keeping my lash extensions together, and the reason I've been doing that is because it's been so many changes to where it's just like, from May 2020, when I started my process of getting weight loss surgery. If you're new here, hi honey, I had to sleep. But from May 2020 all up until I got pregnant, yeah, there would be moments where I would relax, but overall, for over a year, I've been focused on fitness, and I was really close to my goal body. But now that I'm pregnant, you know, things they change, and I know the change is temporary, but it's just like, while I'm in the middle of the change, I've been trying to do things to help me feel good. So I keep my lashes, my nails, everything together. But on this break, I ain't did nothing. I ain't got my lashes filled, I ain't get my eyebrows done, I ain't get no pedicure. And here's the thing. It's one thing when you fall off, you know you not on your game or whatever, but it's something else when your man bring it to your attention. Honey, I was laying down, DJ was rubbing my belly, and then he looked down at my feet. And he has developed a level of wisdom in knowing how to get a message to me without getting the message to me, if you understand what I'm saying. So while he looked at my feet, he looked at me, he said, babe, are you okay? And I know that's his way of saying, honey, if you don't get your tail to that nail shop. And so I just, you know, I went ahead and did it today. So I got my eyebrows done and I got my feet done. The only thing I didn't do was my lashes, and that is because next week I am having my maternity shoot. I am getting some pictures done, and with that I'm getting my makeup professionally done, and I didn't want to have the extensions on and then her having to work around it, so I just figured I'll just wait to get my extensions after I get my makeup done. And so with that being said, this is actually day 2 of my maintenance, and this is just me being honest. The way this baby and this body is set up, I cannot do everything in one day. I went and got my nails done yesterday. On Instagram I asked y'all, what should I get done? I know I wanted some French tips, and I gave y'all a poll, let y'all vote, and what y'all voted was for me to get chocolate brown tips, and that is what I ended up getting, and they turned out really cute. If you are in St. Louis, I go to a salon called Sonderlush. This is not a paid sponsorship or anything like that. I just like to shout them out because number 1, they are super clean, number 2, they are into healthy nail care, and number 3, they are black owned, and I love to support them if I can. So it's Sonderlush. It's on Washington downtown. But anyway, so I did the nails yesterday, I got my feet done and my eyebrows done today, and so we are done with the physical maintenance for now. But there's one thing that I do need to do to maintain myself that I'm gonna take y'all on a journey with me. So here's the thing, the type of maternity shoot that I am doing, the photographer, she has all of the stuff that I need there. The only thing I need to do is show up with a strapless bra. But here's the thing, I don't have one for this new set of titties. I'm sorry, excuse my mouth, it is what it is. Y'all know I had lost all that weight, so I went from a 40 triple D to a 38D. Well, since I've been pregnant, I have actually started mildly lactating. Now, I told y'all about that before. It has increased, and with this lactation come bigger boobs. And so I have been wearing my pre-surgery bras, and honey, them girls is too little, so I don't know what size bra I am. So we getting ready to go get sized and buy something else, child. I just, listen, I don't know what's going on with my body. Listen, thank God for my baby. I can't wait till he get here safely. But I also can't wait to get back on my healthy body journey because, child, it's been some changes. Real quick, we actually have a detour. I forgot I have a drive up order from Target for some workout equipment that I bought. Now here's the thing, y'all know I like to work out or whatever, but right now it's respectfully, and I don't mean no harm in saying this because I've been there too, so I understand, but right now it's the New Year's resolution time, so that means that the gym is packed, and with everything going on in the world right now, no, I can't, nope. And then on top of that, although the county that I work out in, they have like certain mandates, like you have to wear a mask, the people don't wear no mask in the gym, and the employees don't enforce it. And I know everybody don't believe in masks. I can't tell you what to do for you, but that's for me in my house. You can't be around me if you ain't got no mask on, because it ain't just me at this point, it's me and my baby. So anyway, I decided to pick up a few exercise items from Target, and so I'm going to pick it up now. But I'm actually gonna go inside too, even though I have this drive up order, and I'm gonna tell you why, because I deserve it. And I'm gonna tell you why I deserve it as soon as I pick this up. Hold on. All right, so I just picked up my drive up order, and I pulled into a regular spot because I'm going in the store because I deserve it. I need something to make me feel good. But like I was saying, I bought some exercise stuff because I'll be working out at home for the next few weeks. I already have a treadmill, some dumbbells, some resistance bands. I have a lot of stuff at home, but one of the things I got was a stability ball. Not only is this good for, what is that? Not only are they great for working out in general, but because I am pregnant and I'm preparing for delivery, and if God helps me, it will be a vaginal delivery, that is really good for helping my pelvic region. So it just basically helps me to prepare for labor, kind of, you know, get some things loosed up and moving and all that good stuff. So anyway, let me tell you why I have been sad. And I know not everybody's gonna understand where I'm coming from. Some people gonna think I'm just being dramatic or a spoiled brat. But number one, I am pregnant, so I'm emotional. And number two, I do still feel like my feelings are valid, even outside of my hormones. Let me put on some lip gloss, because honey, these lips is going through it. So this is what made me a little sad. I promise y'all it's not super huge. It's more so of a big inconvenience than it is. No, I ain't even finna downplay my feelings. I'm sad about it. Y'all, we had to cancel the baby shower, and I am sad about it. If you're new here for some reason, I struggled with fertility for a while, for about 9 years actually. When I was 27, I was diagnosed with PCOS, and it made conception very difficult for me. So that was one of the driving factors in me getting weight loss surgery. Yeah, I wanted the weight loss or whatever, you know, cool, give me that. But the main reason was because my surgeon said that it could help me in accelerating beating PCOS, and it worked. So I'm currently I'm getting ready to be 30 weeks in 2 days. So anyway, because conception was such a struggle, I was so looking forward to having that moment to celebrate. And I've been pretty open with my journey, whether you know me off camera or if you see me on YouTube. I've been very open with the fact that I struggled to conceive this baby. And so I just wanted to have that moment to be like, look what happened, look what God blessed us with. But at the time that we started planning it, we kind of knew how to navigate OG Rona, if you understand what I'm saying. Like, we knew how to, sanitize, keep masks on and things like that, and it would keep exposure down. We knew about that. But then these variants popped up after we started planning. One of them I'm just gonna call Omarion. And honey, around Christmas time, Omarion started touching everybody. I mean, that thing wiped through so many people that I knew. And yeah, it may not be as deadly as they say, but it's so contagious and highly spread right now that I just, in good conscience, could not have an event where everybody was coming together while this was going on. So my shower's date was actually next week. And the closer and closer we get to it, I am definitely feeling some type of way. On the one hand, I am grateful because it's just like, at the end of the day, my baby's healthy, I'm healthy, so I'm glad about it. But I am still sad that we won't have that moment where we get to celebrate with our family and friends, because this is not just me and DJ's baby, it's our family baby too. So I was really looking forward to that. And so I'm in a position where I can say I'm blessed that all of our vendors were extremely understanding, so we got all of our money back. We didn't take any losses or anything like that. But I was just really looking forward to having that moment just to celebrate. So I know people were saying that I should do a virtual shower, and I totally understand that, but here's the thing for me. So much of what I do in my life is virtual because I am an influencer, I'm a content creator, and I share so much of my life that there are some things that I just did not want to do on camera. I wasn't taping my baby shower. The most I was going to do was maybe show y'all pictures when I got it back, but I didn't want cameras at my baby shower or nothing like that. I wanted to be in that moment with my family. And so when it comes to virtual, it to me, although I understand the premise, it lacks some form of intimacy to me. So it's not the same. So I am a little sad about it. And then I was telling my friend, you know, once the baby gets here, if things have calmed down, then maybe I'll do a welcome to the world party so we could, you know, at least have him there and have that moment where we get to celebrate with our friends and family. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I really am sad because I was looking forward to that day. But that also allows me to pivot and say thank you. One of my friends called me and she was like, we tried to buy something for you off your registry, but you don't have enough on there. Like, you don't have a lot of stuff. But the reason I don't have a lot of stuff is because when I say y'all showed, I'm not getting ready to cry. Y'all showed so much love that y'all almost bought my registry out completely. And I really wasn't expecting that. But y'all really showed a lot of love, and I really appreciate it, for real. I am still gonna pay it forward and make a donation to a women's shelter here. But considering, you know, we not having a shower and all of that, and granted, it's not about gifts for me anyway, but it's just the fact that so many people, even though we couldn't get together physically, so many people still showed love and celebration to my kid. I'm really grateful. So I wanted to say thank you to everyone who purchased from the registry. I really appreciate it. So anyway, I did not mean to get on here and start crying, but y'all know this kid just got me all in my feelings. So let me go in Target or whatever. Maybe that'll give me some self-control. I only need some toilet paper. First of all, I need some Kleenex because now my nose running and I need to get myself together because, honey, I'm a G. But yeah, let's go into Target and see what we can see. And yeah, I might get myself a dress or something. I don't know. Let's go. So I made it inside of Target, and I can't even lie to you. The air just made me feel better, honey. I just feel my spirit getting happy. But let me tell you something about this clothes section. Target used to have some really cute stuff, and sometimes they still do. But right now, like I told y'all, either I'm in sweats and a t-shirt, or I'm in a dress. Now, when it comes to their dresses, they are going through this they keep having stuff like this, and this, and this, and this, and that. Now, I am not against modesty. I can appreciate that. I don't mind long dresses. I don't mind long sleeves. However, it is something about this style that is giving very much so Handmaid's Tale. Now, if this offends you, I'm sorry. You know, everything ain't for everybody. If you love it, cool. Wear it. Style it up and make it cute. But as for me, I don't want to look like I just came off Little House of the Prairie. Like that. So I'm going to have to look elsewhere for some dresses or whatever. I'll probably just go to the mall because, like I said, I got to go get size for a bra. And the place where I'm going is actually inside the mall. So, they do actually have some cute loungewear though, so let me give them that credit. Like this right here, as far as like loungewear, this is not only cute, but the fabric feels real good. I could be chilling around the house and something like that. So I ain't gonna knock Target completely, but them dresses ain't for me. Who is this? They actually have the Ulta here, so let's go see what we can see. Boom, they got my boo. I have not seen this in stores in a while. I love this mask, so I'm gonna pick this up. So I'm in the hair department. They don't have nothing new that I'm interested in. Plus the part of town that I'm in is not really for quote unquote textured hair care. So they ain't really tailoring to us, honey. They got some Cantu and some Shea Moisture and some Eco and some Curls, daughter. Let me show you. Like, here we go. These are the only options. Ain't nothing really new out, so I ain't gonna spend no money on no hair care. But let me say this, there's absolutely nothing new under the sun. And right now, what's trending on TikTok that's getting these kids paid is these boys right here. When I say these kids is going viral for showing people how to style their hair with some claw clips, like really? And I'm like, are y'all serious? But like, they dead seriously getting like millions of views showing how to style your hair with them clips. I was like, if y'all impressed by that, what y'all gonna do if we bring back the ones that got the butterflies on it? And the bag is secured. I just got the pattern treatment mask and didn't get anything else. I'm actually gonna get ready to take my braids out soon, so I'll be able to use this soon. I was going to go to the mall right now, but let's be honest, honey, I'm hungry, so we're finna go home and eat. Hey y'all, so it has been a couple of days since I've been on camera, and it's really just because I am exhausted. I'm going through like this insomnia thing to where I'm not sleeping well at night, but I'm noticing that's when he is most active in my belly. So let me fill you in on what happened since I last talked to y'all. Like, I did not go bra shopping yet. My photo shoot is on the 23rd, so I still got a little bit of time. So, you know, we're gonna wait, especially since it's snow in St. Louis right now. We really gonna wait. But anyway, we had our prenatal visit. The baby is doing very well. His heart rate is perfect. She used a measuring tape on me to measure my belly. Said that he's still measuring a little big, which is not abnormal because on DJ's side of the family, the babies can run a little big. So whatever. But anyway, there is one thing that we are working on right now, and that is the fact that the baby is breech. So as you know, it's best that baby comes head out first. Well, in this case, he's kind of laying diagonally across my belly. Now I'm 30 weeks at this point, so he does still have time to move on his own, but because I am high risk because of my weight loss surgery, every little thing that goes on with this pregnancy, they treat it with a little bit more of a heightened sense of urgency. And so they were just like, because you're 30 weeks, it's not a huge deal, but we'd rather be proactive. Let's start trying to work on turning him naturally first before we gotta up the ante. So a few things that we have been doing. Number one, the midwife suggested that I put a pack of frozen veggies at the top of my belly and a heating pad at the bottom, so the little youngster could be like, oh honey, it's cold up here, I'm going down south. Another thing that the midwife gave me to do was to when he's really active at night, to have a flashlight. So that's what we've done, is to make the room really dark, and then I'll put a flashlight at the bottom of my belly so that hopefully attracts his eyesight downward, and then DJ will talk to the lower part of my belly. So we're hoping that with his eyesight and his hearing being focused downward, that he'll naturally move downward. And so then of course, I'm just like everybody else, I get on YouTube to see what worked for other people, so I've been doing stretches and stuff. Well honey, I think this stuff might be working because listen, he's been an active baby, Google Gaga kicks and all the giggles and all of that, but since I have been trying to get him to move, he's been really active, so much so that it's like a level of intensity to it that I ain't used to from him, and it honestly at some points hurts. And I asked DJ, I was like, dude, I'm wondering if I'm having Braxton Hicks, because this it wasn't feeling like this before, and it's a little uncomfortable. But at the same time, as long as the goal of getting him to get into a really good birth position works, honey, we'll just go through it. So that is what I've been focusing on, and because my body been sore, that's why I haven't been recording or whatever. I just been like, listen, we just gonna be in a moment and just focus on getting this baby here, and for me not to lose my mind. So I've been laying down, doing whatever I can just to give my body some rest, my mind some rest, and try to sleep when I can. So that's what's been going on with me. I'm actually getting ready to go for a grocery run just because it's snowing here in St. Louis. Ain't nobody finna be outside, so we're gonna get something to eat and just chill in the house. There ain't really nothing I'm gonna show y'all. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this vlog up. Thanks for chilling with me. Thanks y'all for all y'all love and support. I really appreciate everything that y'all have done, from the well wishes to the gifts. I appreciate you. Somebody even said one time she wanted to give me something that wasn't on my registry. Listen, I know how my culture gets down. If you want to do something for my baby, feel free to do whatever. We appreciate anybody just that thinks of him, and even if it's just a prayer and a well wish, we thank you in Jesus' name. So with that being said, I love y'all. I'll see y'all soon. I'm actually getting ready to, when I get back in the house, I'm gonna clean out my hair product stash just because it's starting to run over. It's the new year. I know I'm gonna be getting some packages for business opportunities and even some things that I want to do anyway, and plus some of that stuff I ain't touched in months, might as well get it out. And at this point, I don't have time for no type of clutter because I need all the room for this child, because y'all know baby stuff take over everything. So with that being said, I love y'all. Maki Dada. I'm out of here. Honey, I'm finna go take a nap. Bye. Well, I gotta go grocery shop. Child, maybe I'll just do Instacart. I don't feel like it. Bye.